Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to remove Instagram story highlights. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you are there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And then head over to your highlight. So as you can see, I'm currently in my highlight. There will be a three dot icon on the lower right corner. Just tap on that. And here, if you scroll down, you will find the option of remove from highlight. Just tap on it and confirm it to by tapping on remove photo. It says you will still be able to see this photo in your archive. You can delete it permanently from the archive. So tap on remove photo and the photo or the highlight is removed. So yeah, this is how you can just remove highlights on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.